Hey, if you have a DJI action camera, 3 or 4, and you want to purchase more of these, but you don't want to spend $15, like me, there's an alternative. You can purchase these Telisins. I'm not sure if I pronounced that correctly or not, but either way, I picked these up on AliExpress. They were under $5 at the time, just a couple of weeks ago. It took 2 weeks to get here. And now they're like $5.30, but they're well worth it. Well worth it. Here's the DJI compared to it. And they work almost as well. And what I mean by almost as well, the magnet is just not as strong as the DJI, the original DJI. And let me show you what I mean. Here's the original DJI. The magnet is a little bit stronger. Clips right in. It's the DJI original OME. And I do like these quick release mounts. It makes it so much easier going from mount to mount. And here is the Telesin. Just as good. Once they're on, they're not coming off unless maybe you crash. But I have used these on my handlebar mount, my neck mount, my helmet mount, and my selfie stick. And they work perfectly. That's the DJI 3. Here's the 4. Now this is with the original mount right here. Original. Of course it's not coming off. Telesin. Perfect. I'll tell you what. Well worth the money. Well worth the money. Because 3 of these would cost me $45. 3 of these cost me $15. And if you have multiple mounts, and you know what I'm talking about, save the money. Very, very stable. I mean, they're not coming off. They are not coming off. Now, they're on AliExpress. I mean, if you're interested, just go on AliExpress, type in DJI Action 3 or 4 magnetic mounts, and a bunch of sellers will pop up. The seller I purchased it from, they're selling it for $5.30 now, and yeah, they're great. Now, are they original Telesin product, or are they knockoff? I don't know. I really don't. It might be knockoff of a Telesin. I don't have a lot of Telesin gear, to be honest with you. I use mostly Ulanzi and some other brands of camera gear mounts. But yeah, I would check these out if you're interested in getting more magnet mounts for your DJI action cameras. Save me a couple bucks. Thanks for watching.